Alright, what up, Oz Squad? It's your boy Odd Vibes here. I'm here today with my brother, Hunter.
That's me.
That's him. It's been a long time since I made a video. I've just been super busy with life since last time you guys saw me. Got married, had a kid. He's a couple months old now. But today we're gonna be doing some more exploration. There's a place over near where I live. It's a cave. So we're gonna be going exploring the cave, checking it out, and hopefully we don't see anything too weird in there. Apparently there's dead people in there, so we're gonna go check that out, so let's go get into it. Bro, it's so windy today. What? It's so windy today.
Yeah.
Like it's sketch, like this rock is so sketch.
Bro, last night was sketch on top of the water tower.
Yeah?
Because there was this like 4'11" chick that we were with.
Jeez. She's almost as short as my wife.
And she was like blowing up.
It's just a really cool place though. That's where we're going, baby. Oh! Here, take this. It's recording.
It's recording?
Oh, there's a spider.
Where?
Oh, it's gone. Oh no, it's right there.
Spider.
How are we gonna get over there?
We jumped.
It's probably so loud on the mic right now.
Probably.
You can hear all the wind. Let me see. Oh. Okay. Should we jump over there? I made it. Oh, he made it!
Wow.
Alright. So this is the entrance. Dang, they were serious about removing all the graffiti. This used to all be like graffitied up terribly.
How did they even do that?
I don't know. Did they just like take a sander to it or something? Hey, do you have the light?
Yeah.
Let me see. Strap this up. Are you ready? Let's go. Bro, you just gotta turn the light off. Turn it back on. Wait, I gotta get that. I gotta focus it. Wait. Alright, turn the light on. Hey, let me see.
What if there's a cocaine bear?
Yeah, that's okay.
Whoa.
What?
It's the mustards.
The mustards are here. That wasn't here last time, but we were here before 4:30.
I think that's beer down there.
Where? Down there?
Were these rocks here last time?
No, they weren't. Yeah, so we've been here before. You're like making it where I can't see anything.
Not bad.
Wait, come back up here. I want to see that, the mustards. The mustards.
30, 22.
Bro, I can't see.
What do you want? You want to hold the camera?
Huh?
You want to hold the freaking light?
He's trying to make it to where I can't see nothing. Yeah, it's beer. Somebody had a good time.
Oh, damn. Somebody had a real good time.
Jeez. I bet you was a couple teenagers. It's so short down here.
So this part right here, it goes all the way to this like tall section.
Super tall section.
And then this section ends like right here.
Okay, well, let's go in there. I just got a notification that I got a text. I somehow still have service.
Oh shit. Yeah, we won't have service.
Yeah, go.
I'm gonna gonna scurry through.
Huh?
So I'm gonna scoot.
Jeez, I don't remember it being that small. You good? Why?
Yeah, this is where the part ends.
I swore it went down, like on your right.
No, this is it.
It used to go down.
No, I didn't.
Here, take this.
Take what?
The camera.
Bro, I can't take the camera.
You can't?
I'm down here.
So come get it.
No.
Why? Okay, bye.
See ya.
Are you coming back? I'm scared. Okay. Let's see if I can get in here. Oh no. You coming over?
I thought you were coming over here.
No, we're going over the other side. Jeez. It's tall. Okay. I don't know how I'm gonna get up there. Somehow got in there last time, so I guess I'll figure it out. Okay. Smells like peanut butter in here. Oh, it's so like, jeez. Bro, it smells like peanut butter in here.
Is that the part you can stand, or is it higher up?
It's higher up.
Yeah, that's right. Squeezing out the womb like.
Think you can make it past me? So I can...
Ah, shit.
What?
It's kind of slippery right here.
Yeah, I know.
Ouch, my head.
Well, they made it past me. Nice butt, dude.
Thanks, G.
Bro, I don't remember it being this small. Here, take this.
My hands are kind of clayey.
Oh. Pretty cool, huh?
And this is where our adventure ends.
No.
Into weed smoking beginners.
Dude, it's like... Ugh. So I've heard lots of stories about this place, like... Lots of home... Oh, I just hit the mic on the rock. Whoops. Lots of, like, homeless people staying up here, like... I heard somebody died in here once.
I told you that.
No, you didn't.
Bro, I said that in the car. Roll the footage. Bro, I heard there's dead people.
No. I'm not gonna.
Just a quick little edit back.
Bro, is it just me, or does it smell like peanut butter in here? Maybe clay is really just peanut butter.
My smell died with the Rona ages ago.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
You coming up?
I don't know. Are you gonna take the camera?
I can take the camera.
Jeez. Oh, I'm fat. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, I made it. This place is so tall. Let me see that. Here. This place is so tall. I swear it was just like blocked off. Like it doesn't look like that just happened. You know what I mean? I gotta like focus. There, now it's focused on you. Okay, but look at this. Okay. Can you move your foot so I'm not sitting on it?
Can you move your ass so I can have foot from you there?
No. Okay. Like, that's a long way down there. Yeah, I ain't got no service in here. You get service?
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
It's not dark. Ouch! I fell.
I've come to talk to you again.
Okay. Dude, it's so small in here.
Gotta make a joke.
No, you cannot. I can barely fit through here. I found, is this somebody's fingernail? Ew! Dude, I found a freaking nail. Give me that, look. Give me that. That's somebody's fingernail. Let me, yeah. Look at that. Fingernail. Disgusting. Okay. Oh gosh, oh my god. You good back there?
Where's the fingernail?
Right there. It's like a acrylic nail.
Oh. Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Look in there.
Damn, that's somebody's roach right there.
Where?
I'm just kidding.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. I almost hit my head on that.
It would look so much funnier actually focused. Here. There. Dang, somebody made a whole shelf. And it's candle wax all over it. I'm gonna hope that's candle wax. What?
What the frick?
What? Is this like a shrine? There's no way that's natural.
No. It's not natural. I should know what natural is.
You're not natty. Don't lie to the customers.
Customers.
You can tell lots of homeless people like to stay in here.
How?
Look at all the burn marks. Like they had fires to stay warm and stuff. You see what I'm talking about?
There used to be a bed right here, actually.
Why do you say that?
Because I remember there used to be a bed right here.
Oh,
Back when I first came back here in like 2013.
you did not come here then.
Yeah, I came with my folks.
You did not.
Yes, I did. I came right here. I didn't go down there. But
Oh, I remember when we did that now. I didn't remember you going into the cave though.
I went right into this part.
You what?
Went into this part, and there was a bed there.
Uh,
I think I might have just crawled right through here.
Ow! I just hit my head. Jeez, I am dirty. How dirty are you? Turn around.
dirty.
Jeez. I kid you not, dude. Like when I was jumping on those rocks to get across the river, I was blowing dust around the place. That's how dusty it is in there. It's crazy. We have company. Huh? We have company.
Should we go talk to him?
Should we what?
Should we go talk to him?
I guess.
Huh?
I guess. Let's go see what they're doing.
East West idea. Go up to him with a camera.
Huh?
How should we get across?
I don't know.
Do you think I could jump that whole thing?
Nah, you can't. But I want to see you try though, because I know you're gonna fail. Come on.
Gotta get a running start.
You gotta get a running start, so I gotta go over here. All right, come on, jump it. I wouldn't do it right there, just in case you do fall. I would do it like here.
But I don't want to fall in the water.
Yeah, but would you rather fall and hit your head on a rock?
Yeah.
What? He decided he's not gonna jump, but we should probably get going. My card's almost full.
I did decide I'm gonna push you in though.
Oh. You fell in the water. You said you weren't going to. All right, so we did end up talking to that guy. He would rather not be recorded, so we're not gonna. You're gonna hide your face. You'd rather not be recorded now too. Anyway, he'd rather not be on camera as much. So, but he's really cool. We call him Crazy Dave. But it's really cool. He was telling us some history about some places around here, telling him how I like exploring abandoned places, and he told me a couple cool places that you guys will probably see in a couple of future videos. But hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was real fun exploring that cave and walking around in the creek. We're real dirty now. But you got anything you want to say? No? You got scarred. Okay, I guess you got scarred. Well, anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.